Kind of a late start to the day today. It's already at 3:30. But we are going to this bicycle store, I think, or motorcycle store. I'm not 100% sure because we have to get some parts for the motorbike. So, yay. I'm here. We're unpacking from the garage sale.
Spend it all at the bank, put it all on dank. We don't play no games.
I can't see. What am I filming? I can't. Okay, we're here.
Do you really need
Of course you.
Not what we're doing.
Well, I mean,
What's the honesty?
The professional.
it could. I mean, I don't know.
Sorry.
Depends. I always put glue on mine.
Jason, I found you.
These are $99.
Oh,
That's what I'm
awesome.
saying. So
You have to dance to the song. Whoa. He's not in the dancing mood.
what's wrong, man? Why you look mad?
Sunday evening ride. He's